course you did. What are you talking about? We're going to do a selection by a flute band which comes from Ballyrashane flute band, very famous old style flute band with the kettle drums and the old rhythms. And these are two tunes which we collected from them. The first one's called Dewey's Farewell. Dewey was a soldier who went away in World War I, and the band played it in his honour going. And the second one is a wee catchy tune called Over the Garden Wall. So here's Dewey's Farewell and Over the Garden Wall. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sammy Quinn on drums there, folks.